Hello guys, welcome to CPT Markets Education Channel. So today is March 2nd. It's brand new week, also it's brand new month. So the first week in new month, what's new guys? Of course, let's see. At Friday night, okay, let's see here. It's non-farm payroll for the United States. So I will talk about more detail for the next video. So it's brand new week. How we made a trade plan for this week. So okay, first of all, let's see. US dollar index first. So now we see the price for the USD index. The highest, it's almost touched the 100 points. So now it's around 98. So for today, the lowest point, it's until now it's 97.83. So it's already touched the 200 movements average line. So which means when the price touch the 200 movements average line, it should be a short support here. Also, we can see another analysis. So for this increase, it's from this point, it's around 96.3. So the highest point is 99.91. So we use the Fibonacci analysis. We see the first here support, it's around 98.5. The second support is around 98.12. So the last support it will be the 97.67. So it's almost, it's touched the bottoms here. So for this week, the US dollar index should be increased a little bit. So as we know, when the US dollar stops the force and going to rebound, so also we can trade with the Euro USD. Okay, we see the chart here. The lowest point is 1.0777 and the rebound. Now it's almost touched the 200 movement average line with 1.1100. So now the price is 1.1050. So it should be this area, 1.1050 to 1.1100. It should be pressure here. So as we know, the dollar index is going rebound, and also Euro USD it should be decreased again. And here we see the price will decrease. So also we can use the Fibonacci, take the lowest point, and if the highest point we set up 1.1100. So it should be the first support here 1.0975. The second support will be the 1.0939. It's just around there. So for this week, so I suggest if you guys want to do the trade or any trade plan, you can sell, short sell with the Euro USD. Okay, let's see the British pounds. So now the price is around 1.2840. So for the last week, the lowest point is almost touched the 1.2730. So the 200 movements average line was 1.2700. So this 200 movements average line should be very strong support here. It's around 1.29 and 1.28 for this area. It's also will be the support here. So when the price is in this area, it's best chance to buy it. Also, for the GBP USD in short term, it's in the area to movements. So the support will be the 1.28 to 1.29. The pressure will be the 1.32. Also, the lowest very strong support is around here, 1.2700, which is 200 movement average line here. So for the GBP USD, I can suggest if you guys, the price just around 1.2800, you just do the short buy. Okay, let's see the Japanese yen. We see for the last week or last 2 weeks, the highest point was 112.22. So now for today, the lowest point is 107.30. It's just around there. So I strongly recommend when the price touches 107, you guys to do buy it for buy USD JPY. So also when the price between 105 and 107, for this area, it's best chance to buy it, because in the long term or short term, the price will be increased. Otherwise, Japanese yen will falling down again. So it's almost there. We just can wait a little bit, 1 or 2 days. When the price touch 107 or below, it's best chance to buy it. Okay, let's go back to see the commodity. Now the gold price is around 1,600. So the price now, it's very difficult to say it's will increased or decreased. So now I can say it's just go around for the area. The support area will be the 1,540 to 1,550. So the pressure is around here, 1,600. So the above pressure will be the 1,620. So above the pressure will be the 1,650. So the price in the short term maybe increase a little bit, but for the long term, we need to still worry about how the US stock market goes, or the coronavirus house goes. So the safe trade with the gold, now we need to wait when the price continue goes up and hit or above the highest point, 1,689.27. When the price and go above this price, we just buy it. Now it's smart choice to see and wait. So for this is the gold price. Also for the oil price. Now we see the oil price is decreased a lot. So today it's also hit the lowest point was 43.32. So we can combine the last lowest point, which at last year for the December 24th, which is in Christmas. So the lowest price in the last point was 42.36. So which means now the price is around 46. Even it's not the lowest point, but it's almost hit the bottom. So in this area between 42 to 45, probably you can buy it for a middle term or long term trade. So the above pressure is around just 50. Also above the 50, the pressure will be the 200 movements average line was at 56. So in long term, it's for sure the oil price will increase. Now the price is below 50, so now it's 40. 344 or 45. It's best chance we buy it in for the long-term trade. So this is almost for the trade plan for this week. I hope you guys like it, and we see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.